Hi, everyone. Welcome back from lunch, and I hope you all had some time to reflect on the wonderful discussions we've had so far today. My name is Stella. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Population Health at the NYU Grossman School of Medicine. I also served as a member of this workshop's planning committee. So during this next session, we will be hearing from 3 panelists, followed by a facilitated discussion and audience Q&A. Please type your questions into the chat box, including the speaker that your question is directed to, and we will share them with the speakers during the Q&A portion near the end of this panel. Full bios for all of our speakers today are included in the resources on the webpage for this event, which is linked through the chat box. It is my pleasure this afternoon to introduce the next panel of speakers. We are joined today by Dr. Diez, Dean and Distinguished University Professor of Epidemiology in the Dornsife School of Public Health at Drexel University, Dr. Brent Langellier, Assistant Professor of Health Management and Policy at Drexel University, and Dr. Felipe Montes, Assistant Professor in the Department of Industrial Engineering at Universidad de los Andes in Colombia. He's also director of the Master in Analytics Intelligence for Decision Making and a Fogarty Global Health Fellow of the National Institute of Health of the U.S. Please join me in welcoming Drs. Diez, Roux, Langellier, and Montes.